Hey friends, it's Trisha here from Freedom Hill. I thought I'd take you through a little tour of my fall decor, starting with my mantle. I got a few new things this year. This little truck with pumpkins and this little pumpkin that says Hello Fall are new, and I got them at the Dollar Tree. My favorite picture of my sister and me. We were so cute. These two little pumpkins, these white ones, I also got at Dollar Tree, and I put them on little cupcake pedestals. And that candle accents them perfectly, in my opinion. This candle holder centerpiece slash piece of decor I got last year at Aldi, and they had it marked down from the season for like $5. The candles are mine. They are battery operated. They work on a remote. It's kind of cool at night to turn them on. And I really like the way this looks in the bright colors. I put this pumpkin that I've had for years up on a candlestick. Over here, I put another pumpkin on a candlestick. This is a new one that I got at Dollar Tree. These other two match the one on the opposite candlestick. This little sign that says Autumn Greetings is hiding in the back. This pumpkin that I got last year at the thrift shop. This is a wire pumpkin that holds a candle. And then my fall vase, milk glass vase, with the soap flowers and the tall candlestick with another battery operated candle. I really like how that looks. So that's my mantle. I did a little bit with the fireplace down here. We don't really use our fireplace much. Maryland winters are not very cold. People say they're cold, but they think 40 degrees is cold. After spending 19 years in New York, Western New York, and then 7 years in Minnesota, cold is redefined. For this little wagon that I use every season, I have 2 candles, some fall foliage, and some cotton sprigs. I wanted to show you up close. I took bamboo, cut it to the same length, glued it to a hurricane glass, and tied it with string. So it's a rustic looking vase. I like that look. Over here I have this little bird cage, and inside I put a little milk glass holder with some fall foliage and gourds. I just thought it was kind of cute. Here in the kitchen, I decorated atop my pantries and just used some foliage garlands that I found at Dollar Tree. Those flowers, the sunflowers I've had for a couple years. Let me see if I can zoom in here if I remember. I raised them up a little bit on a pedestal. I put some apples and a towel, country looking, and just kind of left that looking fallish up there. Over here on this freestanding shelf, I did a little more. I have a tray that I put behind my 2 Pampered Chef servers. I have this little sign that looks like a jar I got last year at the Dollar Tree. It says Home Sweet Home, very fallish looking. I have this vase. This vase is different. It has little individual vases all in a group. You put one stem in each little vase, and it makes a beautiful display. So I really like that. I thought it looked nice with this display. Down here with my cookbooks, I put some apples and vegetables in my tiramisu dish. Thank you. I also put some faux silk flowers in these vases on top of my kitchen cupboards, just to give some color up there. I think my little farm canister set already looks fallish. It didn't need anything. And then I put some faux flowers in this vase here. So I thought it looked pretty fallish. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your fall decorating.